Hi, welcome. So today we are doing something exciting, and it's something that a lot of people are afraid of and still use. AI. I mean, in a fast-paced world like this, I feel like if I don't teach you guys about AI, I'm doing a lot of disservice to you. And so today we are delving into AI. AI for education, limiting it down to prompt engineering, right? And so a lot of people come to me and like, oh, I use AI, but I don't really get the results that I really want at the end of the day. And I keep on telling them that it's the way you prompt your message that is not giving you the accurate responses that you want. And so today, let me give you 4 different ways of prompting the right way for AI to generate the best for you. So these are 3 types of AI tools you can use to generate information for yourself. The first one is the most popular, of course, ChatGPT. A lot of people know this one. The second one is Cloud AI or Claude AI, as some people put it. And the third one is Google Gemini. I know a lot of people also know about this. These 3 are AI tools that I personally love to use, right? And so let's get into how to prompt properly so that you can get the accurate information that you want. Number 1, don't just come to AI and say, what is photosynthesis? Rather, do this. Hi, ChatGPT, or hi, Cloud, or hi, Google Gemini. Explain photosynthesis to me, break it down to a beginner, and add practical examples of photosynthesis. This would help the AI produce informations that you really want. Let's say you are a business owner and you want to use AI. So let's do this. Hi ChatGPT or hi Cloud AI or hi Google Gemini. I am a business leader in Ghana and I want to be able to come up with great products that would help my clientele and build my customer base. I produce and sell Sobolo, but I want to make it very unique and different in Ghana. Kindly give me 3 ingredients I could add to my Sobolo drink to make it sweet and unforgettable to my customers. When you do this, AI is going to give you certain great alternatives to the things that you're already doing as a business. And so you can use this prompting the way I used it. Every time you have to ask AI for certain information, you don't just give it a raw statistics. Firstly, you try to give it what you want. Secondly, you try to let it understand who you are and your target audience or who you are trying to give this to. So let's say you have an assignment from a lecturer, right? And he says that maybe write a paper on generational leadership. So you go into ChatGPT and say, hello ChatGPT, I am a master's degree student at the University of Stanford and I have been given an assignment to write a paper on generational leadership. I want it to be personalized from a person or a student from Ghana, and I want to use our history of leadership in order to make my paper stand out. You see, if you give this prompt to ChatGPT, it's going to give you excellent results from the history of Ghana as well. And every time you use AI tools, make sure you cross-check, you read thoroughly, and then you understand exactly what is producing to you before you use such information. Remember, AI is not going to take away whatever you're doing, but the leaders or the people who do well are the people who use AI to their benefit. So I've given you free apport, like we say it in Ghana. I hope to catch you in our next video.